Which country has the strongest military in the world? Well, the country which has the weakest military is Israel. Israel is very weak because, despite having powerful soldiers, they kill children in Gaza like a cowardly army. Mention the Palestine flag in the comment section, but which country has the strongest military in 5th place? Yes, it's South Korea. South Korea's strong army is topped with advanced weapons and skilled soldiers. Plus, they have K-pop, a unique force booster. In 4th place, yes, it's Pakistan. Pakistan's army is strong due to its large size, advanced weapons, and being the first Islamic country with nuclear capabilities. But which country ranks in 3rd place? It's Japan. Japan's army is highly advanced with skilled soldiers and cutting-edge weaponry, making it one of the world's strongest forces. Before continuing the second one, mention your country down below. Yes, you heard it right, it's China. China has the 2nd largest and most powerful army globally due to its vast number of soldiers and advanced weaponry. It's widely regarded as one of the strongest military forces. But which country holds the top spot? Well, follow us so you don't miss our future videos. Yes, you got it right, it's the United States with over 1.5 million active soldiers and most futuristic advanced military weapons. But